Silent signs of artery blockages you can't ignore. Heart disease is very prevalent in the population worldwide, as it has affected more than 500 million people. Almost 5.5% of adults in the US are struggling with cardiovascular disease. One person dies every 33 seconds from heart disease. I know this number is shocking, but this is the reality that we have to accept anyhow. You might have seen people around you with a sudden heart attack and you think how this incident can happen abruptly. But heart disease gives silent signs before manifesting into a serious one, but we ignore them. Artery blockages can lead to serious conditions like heart attacks and strokes. Identifying these silent signs early can save your life from any serious cardiac ailment. Well, in my today's video, I will tell you the silent signs of artery blockage that you should identify early to prevent any serious heart disease. Hello and good morning everyone. I am Dr. Jigyasa. I cordially welcome you to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel where you can learn so much about health, diet, exercise and natural and holistic care for several diseases. Let's begin with what artery blockages are. Arteries carry oxygenated blood from the heart to the rest of your body parts. When these arteries get blocked with plaque, a mix of fats, cholesterol, and other biochemical substances, the arteries get narrower and blood flow is restricted. This condition is atherosclerosis, which can lead to heart attack and stroke. However, your body gives you some clues, subtle ones, that something is wrong. Let's explore those silent signs you should never ignore. If you experience leg pain while walking, this happens because blocked arteries can reduce blood flow to your legs. You may feel cramps or pain in your hips, thighs, or calves. Don't think this pain is just fatigue. It is something more than this. Your body is giving signs of potential peripheral artery disease, that is PAD, which raises the risk of heart disease. Do you know that erectile dysfunction can be an early warning sign of blocked arteries? Yes, arteries in your penis are smaller than arteries in your heart, so they might show signs of blockage earlier. If you are experiencing erectile dysfunction without any obvious causes, then it might be an alarming sign of underlying heart problems. You may feel jaw pain and tightness if you have heart diseases. Heart issues can manifest in the jaw. But why does this happen? The vagus nerve that runs from your brain to your heart also passes from your jaw area. So when there is a heart issue, pain can radiate to your jaw area. If you notice this pain with other cardiac discomfort, then you should immediately talk to your healthcare provider. If you observe shortness of breath, this could indicate that your heart is not carrying enough blood to your lungs due to clogged arteries. If you experience shortness of breath during normal activities like walking or climbing stairs, then this could be an underlying sign of cardiac issues. The next of heart disease is prolonged fatigue. We all get tired and it is very normal. But if you experience constant fatigue for a long time with other cardiac discomfort, then this could be a sign of heart disease. This indicates that your heart has to work harder to pump blood through narrowed arteries. If you feel very tired after a mild activity, then you must go through a heart checkup. If you notice sweating without any reason, then this could be a sign of heart disease. Cold sweats, particularly when occurs with other symptoms like chest discomfort or shortness of breath, can be an indication of a heart disease. It is also true if you feel cold hands or feet. Frequent dizziness and lightheadedness can be an obvious symptom of heart disease. It often occurs due to inadequate blood flow to the brain caused by conditions like arrhythmias. Arrhythmias are irregular heartbeats. Heart failure and aortic stenosis, that is narrowing of aortic valve. These signs might seem minor, but together they can lead to serious cardiovascular issues. Don't wait for a big heart problem. Get them checked early. No doubt, heart disease is one of the leading causes of death worldwide, but no worries. It can be treated and prevented with natural and holistic medicines. Homeopathy can treat heart issues with no side effects and bring overall relief to the condition in less time. Bharat Homeopathy holds a strong record of happy patient feedback who have recovered from their cardiovascular issues with our personalized and customized homeopathic treatment. We are a team of experienced doctors who carefully analyze the report, patient's condition, and disease. We have been constantly working to bring holistic relief to the condition with no side effects. Embrace the power of natural medicines and see a major improvement in your disease in less time. If you or your loved one is struggling with any heart disease, then you can call us on our number and talk to us today. Begin your heart disease treatment with natural and holistic care and feel the difference in your condition. I hope you liked my video. Please share it with others who might need this and subscribe to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel for more health related videos. Thank you so much. Have a great day.